Gold has always been the king, the safe haven, the store of value. But silver is the wild card. And in the last couple of years, that wild card has completely stolen the spotlight. And that has led many to ask a simple question. Is silver the new gold? Or is something even bigger than that? Zoom out to look at the data over the last few decades. And gold wins on consistency. It climbs steadily, survives crisis, protects wealth when everything else breaks down. Silver's chart, however, looks very different. Long periods of underperformance, followed by sudden, violent rallies. It has sharper movements, deeper crashes, and bigger drawdowns. If gold is a cruise ship, silver is a speedboat in rough seas. That volatility is exactly why silver can quadruple in just 2 years, like it has since January 2024, and why it can break hearts just as fast by going down nearly 30% in one day just on 30th January 2026. But to understand why silver behaves this way, let's look at some of the fundamentals of this commodity. Mexico leads the world in silver production, followed by China, Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. But here's the twist. Most silver isn't mined on purpose. Nearly 70% of global silver is actually produced as a byproduct of mining other metals like copper and zinc. That means higher prices don't automatically bring more supply to the market. And now look at the demand side. Silver isn't just a precious metal. It's an industrial necessity. It's the most electrically conductive metal on earth. That makes silver critical for solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, medical devices, batteries, and even clean water systems. This isn't decorative demand. This is functional demand for industries. Gold, however, mostly goes into your vaults, lockers, jewelry. Central banks hold it. Investors store it. Silver, however, gets used up. Once silver goes into a solar panel or a circuit board, much of it is gone forever. That's why silver behaves very differently. It sits at the intersection of finance, technology, and energy. So the answer to the simple question, is silver the new gold? Absolutely no. It's something more volatile, more industrial, and potentially more disruptive too. Gold protects wealth. Silver, however, reflects the future. And as the world electrifies, digitizes, and decarbonizes, silver won't just sit in a vault, it will get actually consumed. And that's exactly why this metal can continue to shock the markets. At FinGuru, we help CFA candidates connect theory with real-world markets. Using real-world examples and case studies, we go beyond the exams. So candidates don't just learn finance, they learn how to even apply it in the real world.